Good morning. Good morning. My name is Benjamin. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to find out when an account will remove off your credit report. Basically, the way to find out, you want to find out the date of your first delinquency. Delinquency is your first late payment. When's the first time you was late? So I got an example. Let's say you got a credit card. Let's say your last payment was last month. Let's say today. Let's say you're late today. 30 days late. 60 days late, 90 days late, and you got charged up to the account. So today is February 24, 2020. And let's say today you made is your last payment. So it'll be 7 years from today when this account will be off. 24, 2027. So it'll be 7 years from your last payment when this account will be off. Now let's say you was late. You was late this month, but next month you made a payment. So you made a payment March 1st, 2020. If you made a payment of March 1st, 2020, and so once you made a payment in 2020, if this account is current, this late payment get deleted in February 2027, but it's only this payment, late payment, but this account is still back. So the next time you be late, let's say you be late again June, let's say you late again June 24. Let's say you made your last payment June 24. So next time you be late, you come off your credit report June 24, 2027. So basically, go based on your last payment. 7 years from your first delinquency, your last payment. Let's say your last payment was January, your first delinquency was February, and you go to the collector agency. Now, when you go to the collector agency, let's say go to the collector agency, let's say it goes to September 2013, right? What happens sometimes, they was trying to say your first delinquency, let's say your first delinquency will be September 2013. They're not supposed to do that. It's still supposed to be February 30. So if the account is transferred to another collector agency, it don't go by the first day they open the account. It still go by the first day, the first delinquency of the original account. But if you make a payment to them on September 2013 to the collector agency, it's start back over. It start over until you pay it again. So this is basically how to figure out your first delinquency when it's coming off your credit report. So the main thing is remember to find out when is your first delinquency. So in your credit report, you see stuff like this is what you look for information in your credit report. Okay, the first delinquency. Date of last activity. Date of last payment. The actual amount of the last payment. Okay, you see this for you want to find out what these four are. A lot of times, we can get your credit report. They're not going to tell you this. They're not going to tell you this. They're going to try to hide this. It may be empty. So this is very important to find out. So you want to dispute it with the current burner and find out what this information is. This is automatic. If your date of last activity is, let's say, your date of last activity is May 2013. Then your date of last payment should also be May 2013. It shouldn't be different. It should be the same. Also, how much did you pay that month? They should know, find out. And your day first delinquency should also match that day, close to that day. So it's very important to find out these things. Like I said, a lot of times they're going to tell you, that's why you want to dispute it and find out. When you go to a cut, you can see. They can't start it over. They're supposed to find out from the other account when it's your first late payment date. And you can use that to try to get your late payment off or get the account deleted. Have any questions, let me know. Or you can email me, need more information or need help, belllimit2@gmail.com. Thank you for your time.